I fucking hate you, Todd.
I fucking love you with all my soul.
Todd, we missed both of your jumps.
Yeah, we totally did.
Go, Jake!
Let's go, Jake!
I can't swim, by the way.
I got you.
Take a deep breath, Ariel. You'll float.
Josh is the last one.
You're kidding, right?
Oh, wow.
It's not that high.
Hey, these your shoes?
We got him.
Ah.
Go, Jake!
Go, Jake, go! Go,
Some of
Jake,
that
go!
Chinese kung fu shit.
Bella?
Hey, Nate.
It's all good, Jake. Non-swimmer. Okay. We can all swim. Okay.
But who knows CPR? That's the question.
I've got a first aid kit.
Noah.
Can you really not swim?
I don't know. Let's hope he can.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to jump out.
Yeah!